To use a Best Buy gift card, start by navigating to the Best Buy website using your preferred web browser. Log into your account with your credentials. Then browse for the products you want to purchase and add them to your cart. Once you've finished shopping, click on the cart icon located at the top right side of the screen. On the next page, choose whether you want your items shipped or picked up in store. Click the Checkout button and input all the relevant information, including your address and contact details. Proceed to the Payment Information section by clicking Continue to Payment Information. Here, select the option to use a Best Buy gift card, store credit, or discount code. Enter the gift card number and PIN. Then click Apply and proceed to checkout as usual. Note that if you don't use the full value of the gift card, it will retain an unused balance. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your Best Buy gift card and complete your purchase.